How many productions have you been in?
This is my 11th production with the drama club.
Oh, cool. How many times have you been stage manager?
This is my second time being the production stage manager, but I've been the assistant stage manager for 4 shows.
That's cool. What are some of the responsibilities of being the stage manager?
Making sure everybody is doing what they're supposed to be doing, taking attendance, learning general technology for the theaters, and pretty much doing whatever the director wants you to do.
What is the most rewarding experience in directing?
That's a good question. I think that the performances are always a point of pride because you get to show this creative vision, to your community and, to your family, and that's a point of pride, I think, for anybody who's involved. But for me as an educator, I really love it when somebody that a lot of people might have not seen in that role or seen being a part of drama or on stage or just being a part of it comes out of their shell and really is celebrated for that role or for the job that they performed and all the respect that they get, and those moments are the best. I have a lot of those moments with the exchange students who are part of the program because they don't have that opportunity in their home countries, and for a lot of the seniors that join at their senior year, it's a nice kind of moment. So.
What are some of the challenges in directing?
Well, some of the challenges of directing at a high school production is that you have a lot of correspondence that has to happen with both the student and the parent.